worries ra. Yung second meal ko naman mga around 12 or 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. Ma'am Nikki, even sa tanghali, ma'am, hindi mo kami makikita, ma'am. Everyday kami mag-live, ma'am, eh. Especially sa tanghali, ma'am. Hello, Kojiga. Hello, Day. Kuan ra, Day. Sobra ra atong tanghali, Day. Taga Cebu. One time ra gid mi mag-cook adi, Day. Depende lang kung kanang wala nang sobra, magluto kami sa gabi. So, yung ulam namin same pa rin, Day. Kilawin tsaka sweet and sour with gulay. Wala pa, Ma'am Nikki, ay.